Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 21 Jenever Place in Bentley. If you've been looking for an easy care home with a low maintenance yard in a cul-de-sac location, just across the road from a park and only minutes from the major shopping centres, then this ticks all those boxes. So come on in and enjoy this cute cottage. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 21 Jenever Place in Bentley. As you can see, we've got a cute cottage home just waiting for you to make it your home. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the BIRs website.